Good morning, you guys. I'm back today with another vloggy vlog.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. What? All I do.
So what's up, y'all? I'm mad washed out. I'm in like direct sunlight right now. I'm sorry. All right. Y'all, me and Ronnie are about to go head to Daytona Beach to go do a quarantine style social distancing YouTuber meetup. But we're about to go hit the road. Good morning, Papa. She's washed out on your side too.
Boy Jig, holla at me. You know what I mean?
What is that? Is that something on my screen? Hold up. So yeah, we're about to go head to Daytona Beach and do a YouTuber meetup, but like social distancing style, cause y'all already know how I am. I'm scared, y'all. So yeah, we about to go hit the road. Papa, good morning.
Good morning. It's your boy Jig, holla at me.
Oh my gosh. so we just got, what I'm yelling for? Y'all, we just got to our hotel. Y'all, our hotel is right on the beach, y'all. How freaking dope is that? Alright, so I'm about to go run inside and check in. Lego. See, I told y'all I was going to start showing y'all the perfume I'm wearing. So today, the perfume is Dolce & Gabbana, the one. Okay, we just got to our hotel. What's your cologne you spraying? What's that?
Calvin Klein into you.
Calvin Klein into you. Okay, so we just got to the hotel, y'all, and we about to roll out to go meet up with them. All right, let's roll. Okay, y'all, so we just got here at this restaurant called the Oyster Pub. Thank you, Papa. Okay, so we're here in the restaurant. I'm not sure where they are, but I'm about to order some oysters and a drink while we wait, because I don't know. She called me and she said that her phone was going dead. I guess her phone went dead or whatever, so I'm about to get my sip on while we wait, okay? Okay, so my drink just got here. This is an apple margarita. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's heavy on the Patron. Ooh. That's heavy on the tequila. So you guys, the oysters just came and look at it. Yeah, y'all know I be OD. One oysters all the time since going to New Orleans so much. Look at that.
I mean, the heart and soul of this defense, a 7-time Pro Bowl linebacker, and let's try and find out what happened here. What all is going on? Bobby Wagner with a noticeable limp as he goes into the locker room.
I freaking love grilled oysters. So good. Wow, so they're fast. The rest of the food came. Look, I got fried fish with roasted potatoes. Yum, yum, yum. I only got chicken tenders and fries, and he's eating oysters. Yeah, I'm turning him. Ronnie would have never ate that kind of stuff before, and he loves it now. Okay?
It tastes good.
Okay, y'all know I'm all about my seafood. I should just be pescatarian. Like, what I need meat for? So here's a close-up of my food. Look at that. Don't that fish look good? Yeah.
10 seconds off the clock. Now the Rams could use a timeout to save.
That's good. Bad tasting fish.
Inside of 2 minutes, Seattle player was injured.
But body that. No, we didn't, because we got food to take home. It was good though. We'll take a drink to go too.
Here's the deal.
Pretty good.
State Farm just has surprisingly good rates.
Y'all, we gotta talk when we get back to the hotel. As you can see, we still by ourselves. I don't know what happened with the other people. You just giants down, huh, Papa?
Yeah, you know I got my giants up on. You know how your boy doing. Holla at me, man.
Right?
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.